Do you have pets at home? Have you noticed how happy and excited they behave when they are not in their cage? The poet draws our attention to both the caged bird and the free bird. She wanted us to see their difference. Yes, the free bird can always decide to either stay in a place or move around to another location, stay and play on any tree they want, eat whatever they want, and also fly to anywhere in the sky. This wasn't the case for the caged bird. Not only has he not experienced what freedom was, he couldn't understand how sweet it was. Life for the caged bird was dark and sad, while for the free bird, he was always happy. He even ate the biggest worms for food just because he could. In fact, the worms were always scared when they saw or heard the free birds coming. But life wasn't like that for the caged bird. It was he who was scared of the worms. The worms even had more freedom compared to the caged bird. In conclusion, the caged bird could see beyond his node because life to him has always been limiting, unlike the free bird who could always explore. Thank you, till next time.